Within one day of buying this car, my son ate crackers in it. I got into the car the very next day and was shocked. I bought this. This is a Bissell handheld. You've seen it. You know everything about it. I thought I would try it out to see if it actually vacuums up stuff in the car. I've charged it for a lot of hours. Let's give it a go. The first thing I noticed about this is this. I'm not loving that little aspect of it. There's no way to remove it. And since I'm going to be storing this in the car, it's actually not that handy. This is probably really handy when you're hanging it on the wall. Anyways, so far the only thing I dislike. Let's give it a go. Let's see what happens. No one has ever accused me of being a genius. Perhaps it will work better if I actually use the sucky part. Okay, so this is totally storage. No, I did not read the instructions, and that is what happens to people who don't read. But look at this. Doesn't that look like it should suck things up? It doesn't. Now let's try it for reals. So far, I would say moderate. It did clean up some of the bigger parts. There's a whole bunch of teeny tiny ones that it's not getting at all. One thing I really like about it is that you turn the button on, you can let go. You don't have to keep holding it like the one at home that I have to do. I thought I would give it a try with the brush before I say this doesn't work. Let's give this a try. This little nozzle opens so that you can suck things up, but stays closed so that nothing's falling back out. That's good. No air is seeping out of any of the vents. That clicks right in, no trouble whatsoever. All right, let's give this a go now. After trying with the brush, I've discovered that just using this is actually the best way. These little tiny holes have cracker crumbs stuck in them. So pressing down really hard with the vacuum will suck it up. These are not crumbs that are just laying there. These are stuck in the seats. Now watch how effective this is. Unfortunately, the battery seems to be draining pretty quickly. It's already down to 2 lights. Except for a few tiny little crumbs, it cleaned up everything. These crumbs are getting stuck. Oh, can't do that. These crumbs are getting stuck in those tiny little air holes, and they're not coming out. But I'd say that this went from being very, very messy to being pretty close to spotless. Great job. I love this little thing. I'll be keeping it in the glove box along with the charging cord, which I actually need to use right now because it's down to 1 little light.